you a thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in north-central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gunter, or 15 miles south of Whitesboro, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Van Alstyne, Howe, Collinsville, Gunter, Dorchester, Tioga, and Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 near mile marker 487. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas.